Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to check your earnings on Tango. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. All right, so after clicking on that, here you're going to get all these options right here. So what you have to do is to click on scroll down and click on this get money option. All right, so once you click on that, so here is where you can see your earnings on Tango. All right, so that's it guys. If you want to learn how to withdraw your money, you can also check out the playlist that I will add at the end screen of this video. All right, so that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful. You now know how to check your earnings. If you guys give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.